Hey Dji Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and here's what this is two different action cameras from two different brands. This one here is from a brand called Gopro, and this one here is from a brand called DJI. This one here is called the DJI Action 4, and this is the GoPro Hero 12 Black. So you see the design for what you guys do get for both of them. It looks very similar, how there's a front screen and there's a back screen. And they do have the lens for you to press, the buttons on the top for you to press. Also a button right here on the side for you to press as well. And you have the button right here for it to open up. So this one here will push up like this. And that's where you do put in your SD card inside and the battery. And for our side right here, this side right here is where you guys want to plug in cable to recharge it, which is USB-C, which is very convenient. So very similar design is what you guys do get for the GoPro one right here, where you can pull this part out. And this part here allows you guys to take it out all the way. But we do have the battery compartment here, the SD card slot or micro SD card slot here. And we do have the slot right here for you to plug it in to recharge it, which is also USB-C. For both of the product, when you guys use it, it's very high quality for what you guys do get. And notice how both of them, I do have this tripod option for you to use. This one here is designed for the DJI option, and this one designed for the GoPro. So for the GoPro one right here, you guys have to actually unscrew this part here to take it out. And once you guys take it out, you do have this bottom part right here that's foldable, so fold it back up like that. And that's pretty much how you guys use the tripod option or any other accessory when you guys use it. Where for this one right here from DJI brand, it works a lot better, and I actually like it a lot more for the design, because the way how they designed the bottom part right here is a clip-on design that also have a magnet design right here to hold in place. So it's much more secure, and also it's easier for you guys to release it. So that way, if you guys want to change on this side using the accessory, you do have the option to record it in this way or this way. So if you guys are curious about what the accessory looks like, it's right here. So pretty much when you guys do set up your action camera on this side right here, you guys can use this accessory here to use it. And then when you guys are not using it, just put it back down in this direction here. So definitely for the DJI one, it's a lot more impressive for the design for what you guys do get. If you guys want my honest opinion, I prefer the DJI one a lot more. But to really test it out, let me actually bring this outdoor to an outdoor setting and see what it looks like when you guys do use that, and compare the difference of what it looks like in a bright setting versus a dark setting when you guys use both of them. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right now we're in an outdoor setting, and I want to test out both of the Action 4 DJI camera to the GoPro one to show you guys what it looks like when you guys use both of them here. So currently I'm recording on the DJI Action 4, but the next image that you guys will see on here is a side-by-side comparison of this one versus the GoPro Hero 12. So let's give it a try. And if you guys are curious about what the setup looks like, currently we do have the setup right here. I do have this tripod extendable option from the Telesin brand, and this one here is from DJI tripod that you can get. But here we do have the two cameras with this GoPro Hero 12 and the Action 4 here. So you see the difference of what you guys do get. Now I'm gonna try to hold both of them and show you guys what the image quality looks like for both of them when you guys use that. Alright, so right now I do have both of them set up for the image quality for both of them. If you see, this what it looks like for both of them when you guys do have it all set up. So currently I do have both of the tripods that I show you guys set up for both of them from different brand. So one right now is to try to jog around here and see how it does work for both of them when you guys do use it. Alright, so let's try to run back and forth on here and see how it does work, and show you guys what the audio sounds like for both of them. Right, so when we do look at the image quality for both of them sounds pretty good and actually looks pretty good for what you guys do get. But to really test this out and see the difference when we do use it, let me actually wait for nighttime to come, and we'll do a low light setting on here to test out both of them and see how it does work. That way I can do a final kind of like comparison of both of them and see what it looks like when you guys use both of them. Alright, so right now we're in a dark setting, and this is what it looks like when you guys do use in low light setting for both of them. So this side right here we do have the GoPro, and this side right here we do have the other one with the Action camera. Alright, so let's try jogging around. Alright, so that's a quick little comparison to show you guys what you guys do get for both of these here, and also what it looks like when you guys use it, and also what the audio sounds like when you guys use it as well. Welcome back, guys. So you can see the difference when you guys do use it in a dark setting versus a bright setting. Bright setting, both of them definitely works pretty well for what you guys do get, but I do like the DJI one a lot more for what you guys do get for the overall performance. Because you can see how when you guys use it in daytime, both of them worked pretty well and both of them seem really good. It does seem like the DJI ones performs a little bit better since it is a newer product, which is totally understandable. For both of it, if you guys want to use it as an action camera, it has a very strong stabilization on there to keep you guys in frame, and also the video is going to be very stable when you guys use it. But once you guys do use it in a dark setting, you can see how the DJI one performs a lot better because it does have that low light setting. Where for the one for the GoPro is so much darker when you guys use it. So when you guys compare the difference for the low light setting, it definitely works a lot better for the DJI one when you guys use it. So that's perfect, especially if you guys want to maybe vlog at nighttime to actually give you guys a better image quality or video quality compared to the GoPro one when you guys do look at a test. So for daytime, we guys compare both of them pretty good. Audio sounds pretty good as well. If you guys want to use other accessories to add like your own microphone, maybe to block out some of the wind, feel free to do so. But I do have a pretty good setup for the microphone option on here already. It's just for the low light setting on here. The winner is definitely the DJI when you guys do look at the test for both of them. But now that we test out both of them to show you guys what it looks like when you guys use in daytime versus a nighttime in outdoor setting. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not and which one the better option to go for. So obviously when you guys compare both of them, both of the quality when you guys use it in a bright setting, it works really well. So there's not really a huge difference I guess when you guys compare both of them. But when you guys compare the difference for the low light setting, the DJI one is definitely a lot better. So because of that, I will have to say that the DJI Action 4 is a lot better choice to go for than the GoPro one if you guys want the best of the best. So that way you guys can get a better experience recording stuff in the daytime and at nighttime, which is really awesome. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save it for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.